Is that my finish? Don't worry, bud. Well good. Yeah. Tiny bit late. Yeah. We managed to get one person around.
Just need to make sure you can play it quicker than that.
Yeah, no worries, sir. That's fine. Good try, though, boys.
It's a scrum.
Really good. Really
it's a scrum.
We'll have the penalty.
Just hold. There is no penalty. There's your mark.
Solid, nice and steady, boys. Steady, boys, yeah. It's processes, boys.
Coach! Bind!
Squeeze!
Set!
2, 3, 4. That's fine, Tom. And Norton! That's fine. That's fine. Keep going. Keep going. You've got time. Ah! Touch! 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 Come off then, that's perfect.
I agree.
Thank you. Sorry.
You don't need to call for it.
So we just got it sorted.
I know.
Come on, boys.
It's blue ball.
Is it line out? That's our mark, yes.
Yeah. That's your defensive mark, yeah.
Marks on me, fellas.
Touch the finger.
Yeah, but remember.
I didn't realise you had to be ball boy as well.
Well, no, but there's no one getting it, so what do you do?
Exactly. Okay, let's go.
Ice it, ice it, ice, ice! Ice! Yeah, I'm not sure. Leave it, leave it, leave it! What's that thing there? Got it, got it!
Try scored.
Like you've got to fill out. Right, boys, come in quickly then, come in quickly now. Come on, boys, let's get in. Everyone together.
You can see the line.
Calm, calm, calm. You don't look right, do you? Boys, let's go, we have to work hard. Right, run. Come on then, lads, let's go.
Which way are you kicking?
Get around him! Come on then, boys, want it? Yeah, we've got to fucking want it! Good job, beat me there.
Yeah, yeah, stay behind though, that's all I'm asking.
Take a step.
Kick again or scrum?
Knock on some nibble there, fill the ball. Back row then.
We'll take it from here.
Time for everyone. Back row, got your eyes up, don't you get something. Keep your eyes up. That was good, that last one. We'll call it. Right, let's go. Yeah, more keys, let's go. Control your second row, get the stuff in. Go. Nice and tight. Yeah, that's better, boys.
Coach! Bind! Set!
2, 3, hold! Hold! And no 2, 3! And no 2, 3! Eyes up, eyes up, Get Rory! Win that! Win that! Steady!
You pulled it back into your body, 14.
Rory. Unlucky job. Work from here.
Just pulled that back in. Yeah.
Marks on me, fellas.
Hey boys, hey boys, hey boys.
Yeah, ball's there. Well, come on, boys, let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Follow Dingo! Get over! Get over! Get over! Get with him!
Ready, Sam! Call him out, Sam!
Yeah,
Call him out, Sam! Call him out, Sam! Call him out, Sam!
Pull left, pull left.
Call him out! Yeah, pull left! Pull round the corner, round the corner!
Seven, got to be quicker. Yeah, I know you got pulled in, but it's just a technicality.
Calm. Make sure.
You need to get away.
Calm, make sure.
Just in front of the half! Just in front of the half!
Marks on me, boys. Got it. Hold there. Ready.
That's okay, no contest.
Yeah, we're right.
Get over, boys!
He was on you. 8 was on you.
Boys, there's enough men there.
Yeah. Number 8 was on top of him.
Boys, on me!
Oops.
Get it up.
Carry! Just carry! Get with him!
Well then, Mikey.
Save again!
No, he's not on it.
Jack ball!
That's robbed.
You okay, Rob? Hang on.
Taking time off here.
What's the call after that, sir?
It'll be a scrum
Go back here.
to red.
Don't go too far then. Come on, boys, come in. What happened, sir? Boys, Rob, if you need
I called on this side. He wasn't moving on the floor.
It's a scrum.
It'll be your scrum. He just wasn't moving on the floor.
We make a start, so I can check it.
Yeah, please do.
Tyler!
Right, you've got them in there to blow them out. Don't go in half-arse over top. Clear them out.
Time back on, gentlemen. Because I stopped play. It'll be a scrum with the ball in possession.
Yeah, ready?
Water off, please.
What? Cheers, mate.
Okay.
It's our ball, isn't it?
Yeah. It's their ball. Yeah. No. No, red ball. Maybe I should call them yellow, should I?
Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah.
Right, eyes blind. Eyes blind, Tyler, yeah?
Down, second.
Okay, gentlemen. Let's rethink ourselves again.
You happy again?
Coach!
Just push it, don't
Bind!
not push it.
Set!
1, 2, 3, 4, ready. And no 2, 3. And no 2, 3. Hold, God, Jack.
Blue advantage. Advantage over!
What's that, sir?
I saw it as being played down here, kicked through by blue, so it's a goal line dropout. I didn't see it that way. I didn't see it that way. Goal line dropout. Kicked through by blue. That's what I saw.
Fair enough, sir. Boys, drop, lads, drop. Boys, drop.
No, 5 metres.
Just charge me first moves.
No.
Connect to the chase here, boys. Connect to the chase. Such a you go.
It's not like a free kick.
Get over! Weevil! Shot, Benny. Up the top! Up the top! Good, Joshy! Good, Joshy!
Straight out. He's outside of his 22.
It's up, you run out. We're more cool players than the rest.
Correct call as well. What are the laws on the 22 kick of defensive?
In what way? He has to be in his 22 to kick it out.
I mean defensive. You know that I thought you had to charge on when they first make a move?
No.
You stand right in front of them.
Okay, so yeah, that's your line there. Okay.
Set in front of them.
He stepped outside of the 22.
Yeah, good pressure!
No advantage, it was competed, not straight. Your line out.
They in?
Or scrum.
Oh yeah.
Your line out.